Hello and welcome to class. My name is Flo. This is another 5-minute full body movement practice. Just in case you do not have much time, I know how it is. Sometimes we just cannot prioritize a 30-minute or 60-minute practice for ourselves. So this is here to help you out and to do at least a short movement practice. Highly recommend doing this in the morning or also throughout the day. Maybe between meetings, if you're working from home, take a quick break, do this, and then feel energized and continue with your day. Let's jump right into it. We start in Balasana, child's pose at the back of the mat. Make your way into the position, feet together, knees apart. Rest the forehead down to the ground or to the carpet, to the floor. Take a few deep breaths. Keep the legs as they are. We start to scoop the tailbone under and start to open the chest, open the front. Bring the arms at 90 degrees, open the front, open the chest, and then bring the elbows forward, round and close, lower the hips. And then we again scoop the tailbone under and open. And close, lean back, sit back. Let's do 3 more. Inhale to open, exhale to close, nice and slow, controlled. Breathe through the nose, keep the lips sealed. 2 more. And sit on the heels. We now lift the hips up. Bring the hands either reaching forward or palms together in front of you. We lean back with the upper body pretty straight, so we really start to activate the thighs and then come back forward. Lean back. And the thighs bring you forward. Try to not move anything else. In 1 unit, lean back. 3 more. Come forward. Maybe the arms reach forward too. Just come as far back as you can. Make it forward again. Last one. And sit down on the hips. Walk the hands forward, come into downward facing dog. Or inverted V, lift the hips up and back. Bend one knee then the other, take a moment to arrive. Breathe into the sensations that you're feeling in your body. And then start to slow down the movements. Connect the breath even more to the physical sensations. It's never about how it looks, just about how it feels and how present you are within. Bring the feet wider apart. From here we are rolling forward through the spine to upward facing dog, to open the front of the body even more. Look straight ahead, pull the shoulders back, engage the glutes and chin to the chest. Hips up and back. Let's do 4 more just like that. Rolling forward through the spine. Open the front. Up and back. 3 more. Last 2. And last one. You come forward to a plank. Bring the hands wider apart. Bring the right hand slightly back. The left hand slightly forward. I call this uneven push-ups. We shift forward, bend the arms. 1 push-up. Now right hand forward, left hand back. Push-up. And again, switch the hands. That's 3. Switch the hands, lower down. 4. Switch the hands, lower down. 5. Switch the hands lower down. Last one. 6. Plank pose. Shift forward, come high onto the toes, bend the arms with control. The elbows brush the sides of the rib cage all the way down to the ground. Untuck the toes, extend your right arm out to the side, bend your left leg, bring that left foot up and over to the right. I call this restless twist. I do it a lot in jiu-jitsu training as well. A really nice one. To open the hip, to move the spine, twist. Open the pecs, the shoulders, the arm lines. And back to center, switch sides. Left arm out, bend the right leg. Bring the right foot up and over. Already start to slow the breath down. Breathe slowly through the nose. Return back to the belly. Shake out the hips. And push the hips back for a seated position on the heels. Bring your hands on top of the thighs or in your lap. Close your eyes. And continue to breathe slowly and fully into the belly as you observe how the air is flowing in through the nose and out through the nose for the next minute. Sit nice and tall. Slowly bring your eyes open. Beautiful job making it through the practice, following along. I hope I see you soon on the mat for another video like this, a short one. Or if you're interested, check out the longer classes I have here on the channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love and gratitude.